where we are just amplifying genes. एक मिनट बेटा ना, PCR. PCR means polymerase, stands for polymerase, C for chain, R for reaction. Polymerase is what? DNA polymerase enzyme. DNA polymerase enzyme, which is used in the replication of DNA. Almost this thing we have studied in chapter number 6 in detail. And chain means again and again we are amplifying the same same copy of the DNA. Imagine that we have taken one gene of interest, and again it is of 10 kb long gene. It is the length of this gene is 10 kb. Assume this one. Again and again this fragment is being copied, and millions and billions of copies we are getting here. So PCR is synthesis of multiple copies of a gene of interest in vitro. The word here is what? In vitro means we are doing it artificially in a lab. हम lab में ये काम करवाते हैं. Okay. Then what we are using? We are just using primers also. But remember, the primers which we were using there in DNA replication were made up of what? Can anyone tell me the primer which we were using in case of DNA replication in chapter number 6 we have studied? The primers were made up of what? DNA or RNA? Yes, students. Can anyone tell me? Yes, no one. That was made up of RNA. But remember one thing, the primers which we are amplified in the gene of interest is made up of DNA. This is very important thing you must keep in your mind. The primers which we are using in PCR artificially, they are made up of DNA only. So no primer is made up of RNA here. Okay. Then what are the primers? Primers are specific oligonucleotide fragments which are having 2 to 10 base pair or nucleotide long, which are used to start the replication process, and they are complementary to that particular specific DNA. Imagine this is my DNA, and here I have made one primer of 8 base pair. So this blue part which I have drawn here, it is made up of what? It is complementary to this part of DNA. Complementary means if A is binding to T, so A must be there in this primer and T will be there in this specific desired gene. Okay. So what are the steps? 3 steps are there, which are, one is denaturation, annealing, and extension. One by one we will be studying them. So this diagram which is given here is taken from our NCERT book. So let us discuss the steps one by one. Okay. First step is denaturation means we are just heat up करते हैं उसको, and the temperature is almost in 5 or 94 degree Celsius. In separate books it is written, sometimes it is written more than 90 degree Celsius, somewhere it is 92 degree Celsius, 94 or 95. So you assume this is 94 degree Celsius height happening. What will be happening? This is our gene of interest, that is desired DNA. It is made up of 2 strands, and what will be happening? whenever we are heating the increasing the temperature, what will happen, the different bases will break down, and this DNA will be converted into two single stranded DNA. One DNA which is made up of two strands will be converted into two separate strands of the DNA. This is called denaturation. And each strand what has what template strand. Okay. Then annealing. Annealing means to join something. Anneal means to join something. Okay. So what we will be joining here, let me draw two separate this template strand here, and I must anneal what primers. What I am annealing? The primers here at the 3' end. This is 3' end, prime end of template one. This is 5' end, this is 3' end. What should be the polarity of template stand? That must be 3' to 5' for a replication process to start. It will be joining on the 3' ends of the template stand. We have studied this thing earlier. So यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? We have added the two DNA primers on the 3' end of this two template strands of the desired DNA. Okay, इतना कर दिया. This process is known as next one, extension. This is main process. So what adding here? One thing. We are adding oligonucleotides and one specific enzyme, that is Taq polymerase. This is very important question. CBSE is year. The language is different, but the questions will be same. Taq polymerase. Taq means must. Aquaticus or aquaticus. Thermos, high temperature. Aqua means water. It means this is from bacteria from where we have obtained this enzyme. This DNA polymerase enzyme which we have isolated from one bacteria, that is Thermus aquaticus. Name is indicating it is hot water. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये बैक्टीरिया गर्म पानी में रहता है. It is living or surviving in the hot water. And also it is 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस वाटर. 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक टेम्परेचर इसका जाता है, वहां पे बैक्टीरिया रहता है. तो इसको हम बोलते हैं थर्मस एक्वाटिकस. एंड अब इसका नाम कैसे पढ़ा, देखो, टैक पॉलीमरेज. TAQ. Polymerase is taken from DNA polymerase. Thermus is genus. Aquaticus is what? This taken from this one. Taken from this one. Taken from here and from here. And AQ is taken from genus. So this is how this TAQ or TAC is in Hindi. हम क्या बोलते हैं इसको TAC बोलते हैं, TAC polymerase. Okay. So we have obtained this TAC polymerase. Only DNA polymerase in our, which is found in our body, because ये DNA polymerase enzyme this is made up of protein, and whenever the temperature is increased above 40 degrees Celsius, this DNA polymerase which is made up of protein, it will denature and it will not be able to do action or whatever function it is going to perform, क्योंकि ये denature हो जाएगा. So we are increasing the temperature up to 94 degrees Celsius in the process of this first process, that is denaturation. तो हमें कोई ऐसा एंजाइम चाहिए that doesn't get denatured at this high temperature, and we have got it from Thermus aquaticus because this bacteria is living in hot springs where it's more than sometimes more than 100 degrees Celsius. It means its all enzymes are working at 100 degrees Celsius also. So this enzyme is, that's why this is obtained from this bacteria. Okay, then what we, हमने अभी तक क्या कर दिया, वी हैव एडेड प्राइमर्स, one thing, tag polymerase we have added, and third thing is we will be adding the nucleotides. Four types of nucleotides are there: adenosine triphosphate, guanosine triphosphate, cytosine, thymidine triphosphate. These four we will be adding this one in many numbers of these bases, or what, not base, actually these are nucleotides. So we are adding this to a machine that is known as thermocycler. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Thermocycler machine is there where we are adding all these materials, and whenever we do it switch on, the automatic process will start and we need not to do anything. And after continuation of this process, in within some minutes we will be getting 1 billion copies of that desired DNA. अब कैसे होगा एक्सटेंशन में? Let us see. First we have this is our DNA segment, which is our desired gene, whatever it is double stranded. What we have done, we have denatured it. Denaturation के लिए हमने क्या काम लिया? We have just heated it up. Heating किया तो those two fragments have been separated. These are our template strand, 3' end and 5' end, and this one 5' and 3'. Then what we are doing, the process next is annealing. In annealing process, what we are doing, we are adding the primers. We are adding here what? Primers on the 3' end of the template strand. Okay, next step is what? We are adding or we can call it nucleotide, this tag polymerase, and one by one that process will be, this template strand will be copied and new DNA segments are made. So what we have added here, this is our template strand. Okay, and now one by one, reading the this template strand, new strand of DNA will be formed, and it will be going from 5' to 3'. So template, this polarity must be, remember the polarity of this one. This is 3' end, this is 5' end of template strand, 3' to 5'. But the new strand which are formed here are having 5' and this one is 3' polarity. Remember, this process will go from 5' to 3'. देखो इस ओर जाएगी, यहाँ से 5' से 3' की ओर ही DNA का, न्यू DNA का सिंथेसिस होता है. So this is how, and this 2 DNA we have got from 1 DNA. एक DNA से हमारा कितने DNA सेगमेंट बने बेटा? We have stranded DNA. One double stranded DNA have made 2 double stranded DNA, and these 2 DNA strands will be acting as 4 template strand again, and new DNA copies will be made again and again. This cycle will be continued, and in very few minutes we will be getting 1 billion copies of our desired DNA. So this is the good thing about this. This is thermocycler machine which is shown here in this one, where we are adding this the nucleotides, primers, the DNA sample, tag polymerase, and buffer to maintain the pH and all these things in thermal cycler, whatever we call it, and the will be followed one by one process.